Jennifer Baker Consulting, simplifying your social media. Today we are going to talk about Facebook groups. Now, many of people who are Facebook page managers have noticed that Facebook groups have changed a lot in the last little while. One of the major changes is that Facebook groups can be affiliated with a Facebook page. Now, the next big change that has happened is that Facebook pages can now also become a member of a Facebook group. And in doing that, now it's the Facebook page that can interact. So previously it was just individual users, but now it can be actual pages, so the administrators of a page. So you get all the same rights and privileges as another individual user. So today I just want to show you very quickly how to do that. So we're going to do a search. I'll just say social media. There's my group there, Simplifying Social Media. But I'm going to just search the main groups. And here's one here, Social Media and Network Marketing. So if you click Join here, it's going to process as an individual user. What you want to do is click within the group and say Join Group here. So now you can see this little bubble that says Pages can now join groups. So I'll say Join Group, and then I'll scroll all the way down to my page, and I will say Join Group, and then I will say Submit. So the same rules apply, so it will ask you to answer a number of questions. That's if the administrators require that. And administrators also need to basically approve that pages can join a group. So there are a number of groups out there that still don't allow pages to become members, but there are an increasing number of groups that do allow pages to become members. So again, it's a different way to interact and separate that personal and business personality online. So if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day and learn something new. Take care. Bye.